There's a lot of talk about the second screen, the one screen, but interactive television in general is a big thing, that it's not pie in the sky, it's kind of here finally. That's what I'm picking up. So tell us about the state of interactive TV, what you guys are doing, and also the apps and the interactivity, and fill us in.
Yeah, so geez, there's so many ways I could take this, but one thing that I'm really proud of our company for launching this year is the LG Cloud. And on the in the LG Cloud, you can actually take all the videos and photos that you've recorded on your phone, Android phone, and you can upload that into your LG Cloud, and then you can stream that back on your LG Smart TV, 2011 TV, 2012 TV, 2013 TV, Blu-ray players as well from those years. So it's actually really exciting that, for the first time, we've really broken down that barrier for all of your personal content to be able to consume it right on the TVs and Blu-ray players in your living room, right where it should be displayed in the big beautiful screen that we make. So that's really important from a two-screen kind of multi-platform type device integration. From the LG Smart TV perspective, we're still chugging along, making great experiences. We're improving our motion remote again. We've added voice. We've added collaboration with set-top box, so you can control your set-top box now with your motion remote. And so that experience is just getting better and better on the Smart TV. And then the piece that I kind of tend to care a lot about is the content partnerships. And we are just so proud that we just launched the Verizon Fios application with the first ones to do 75 streaming channels with Verizon Fios. So now consumers in that, let's say that second room in the house, they don't have to bring the set-top box up into their bedroom anymore. They can just hang the wall on their TV and watch ESPN live streaming over the LG Smart TV through the Fios app. So there's been a lot of improvements and just exciting things happening with LG Smart TV this year.
So what about navigating the apps, how people are taking to that? It's kind of a new use case for consumers, and how are marketers taking advantage of it? We talked a lot about it last year at CES, but talk a little about the app environment.
Yeah, so well, from a marketing standpoint, I think the Smart TV awareness is just getting more and more. In the last couple of years, people equated Smart TV to, let's say, a content partner like Netflix or YouTube, but now I think people are starting to really understand that you can do a lot more with a Smart TV. So there's been a lot more innovation happening in other areas as well. Social has become a big part of the TV. We've seen applications come into the TV that's been niche content, so it's expanded markets, it's expanded the amount of content that you can get. International has come into the Smart TV. Of course, gaming has become a big part of the Smart TV as well, where we've brought some casual games into the device, and we've given people some additional entertainment options. And so it's become a really viable opportunity for a lot more companies to put their brand and to advertise it, as well as LG advertising our own service as well.
There's a lot of discussion of the so-called second screen, and then there's some discussion where people can really activate their first screen to be sort of interactive. And I was wondering if you see any trends developing around the so-called second screen, companion apps, or the sort of the interactive experience that's hosted on the primary screen itself. Where do you see that developing?
For second screen experiences, and end screen, or however you want to call it, we've actually just started. We created a two-screen API, which we've been, making available to some of our content partners. We've actually just started seeing some of our content partners implement, where you could actually surf for content on the smaller screen and then push it live to your main screen. So we've really just started with two-screen experiences, and it's an exciting way to develop, because clearly people interact with their smaller screen while they're in their living room, and to have the ability to just seamlessly push it up to the live screen, the big screen, is important, and we're looking forward to that being a big part of our CES, showing that off, and having that be a part of our big 2013 launches in March.